Hello everyone, this video is me making a chicken and vegetable quiche. I do have a quiche dish, but that's in storage, so I'm just using this one. I've already made pastry by hand, that just needs to be rolled out. I've already pre-cooked chicken. The eggs and milk mixture are in here. I just need to add some pepper and the rest of the spice and the rest of the dry herbs that I have, they're usually put in it. Ready. I've already got the oven turned on and that's just heating up. And garlic. Decent amount of garlic because you've got a little bit of flavour in there. Just get this one whisked up with its sure liquid. And then I will roll out the pastry that I've made. It's had about 2 hours to chill in the fridge, so it's ready to go. Right, that's the milk and egg mixture with the seasonings in it. Alright, pastry. Now that I've found the rolling pin, eventually, I need to roll this out. And some baking paper. Roll it, get it tight enough anyway. This dough mixture is just a standard. I think the recipe was 1 1/4 cups of flour, 100 grams of butter, and 2 tablespoons of icy cold water, which you easily do with standard water and some ice cubes. Let me finish getting this flattened out enough. Let this go. And then a little wet and sticky in some areas, but that's alright. Just need to press this in, and then I'll cut off the excess and make the rest of it fit. There, just put that in there, next to the edges. Right. Next I'm adding in the onions that I've already pre-peeled and sliced. The onions do cook down, then the cooked chicken goes in, and looks like I won't need all of it, which is good. More than that, and then just pour in the egg and milk mixture, and that's 4 eggs, 3/4 cups of milk, dry herbs, and a couple of heap teaspoons of stuff. Herbs, right. Then need to get enough cheese grated to cover the top. I just use whatever cheese I've got in the house on it. I am wearing a dress and makeup in this video. It is Good Friday today, during the Easter weekend, and my church group had a Good Friday Easter church meeting this morning. That's why I'm a little bit dressed and I've got makeup on still. And of course all the makeup I'm wearing is from Unique. Should be enough.